pesos in cash.
And our fourth runner-up is you.
Candidate number 10. Our next award is
the third runner-up.
The award for the third runner-up will be presented by Mr. Francisco Ramirez and Binibining Pilipinas International 2009 Melody Gersbach.
Our third runner-up.
Our third runner-up will be receiving sash, trophy, and 5,000 pesos. Third runner-up for Mutianang Lungsod 2010 is you.
Is you, candidate number
12. So, we have 3 remaining young, beautiful ladies. One of these ladies will become the next Mutianang Lungsod 2010.
Next award is
The second runner-up.
The award for the second runner-up will be presented by Engineer Eric Apasan and Miss Jojo Valencia.
Our second runner-up will be receiving cash, trophy, bouquet, and 10,000 pesos. Second runner-up for Mutianang Lungsod 2010 is you.
Is you, candidate number
1. Thank you very much to our presenters and congratulations, candidate number 1. Okay, last 2 ladies.
2 lovely Calabeñas, indeed.
Ladies, please step forward. So before we announce our winners, once again, thank you very much to all the people of Calapan and to our guests, visitors, and to all the sponsors of this pageant. Maraming salamat po.
Okay.
Special thanks also to Mr. Jander Gutierrez and Miss Joan Caterina Perez, our host in the pageant competition.
Thank you so much. Now, let's go on. Let's move on to our first runner-up.
For the first runner-up, the award will be given by Attorney Jojo S. Perez and Miss Wilnor Caballero Perez. And for the Mutianang Lungsod ng Calapan 2010, the award will be given by City Mayor Doy Leachon Miss Ronalie Escondo Liachon, and she will be crowned by the reigning Mutiana Lungsod 2009, Miss Marcia de la Roca.
So, Diane, the role of the first runner-up is very important. In the event that our Mutianang Lungsod 2010 could not fulfill her duties and responsibilities, the first runner-up will take over. Okay. So, our Mutianang Lungsod 2010 first runner-up, ang hindi po namin tatawagin, siya po ang Mutianang Lungsod ng Calapan 2010.
So, our Mutianang Lungsod ng Calapan, first runner-up.
Before that, Diane, thank you very much for sharing me your night tonight.
Thank you
For
very
being
much
here.
for giving me the pleasure of being with you tonight and seeing all these people.
All the Calapeños are really proud of you.
Thank you.
Being one of the top 10 finalists of Binibining Pilipinas 2010.
I do hope and pray that one of these ladies will follow my steps.
Okay, 2009. Binibining Pilipinas 2009, top 10 finalists. Okay. So, kalaban mo pala yung ating mga judges.
Oo.
Okay.
Mga design.
Okay. So now, let us award our first runner-up.
Our first runner-up is you. Candidate
Candidate number 9.
Mutianang Lungsod ng Calapan 2010.
Miss Ronalie Aklan from Bulusan. Tita Bune, thank you very much. Tita G of Burgess Creation, thank you very much. Mr. Don Calda, Don Calda, Don Guerrero, all the production staff.
Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. To all the makeup artists, salamat po. Talent scouts, parents, and to all our candidates, thank you very much.
Once again, I am Diana B. Arevalo.
And I am Maximo C. Closa Jr. Maraming salamat po for being here tonight.
Maraming salamat po.
This is the Mutianang Lungsod ng Calapan 2010. See you next year. Dinasal dancers, thank you very much. Dad Joel, salamat po.